Get the most out of your affiliate marketing venture with these fine tips. Taking a step into the technologically complex land of affiliate marketing for the very first time might feel a tad bit daunting. By keeping the helpful tips listed below in mind, you will soon find yourself marketing on par with some of the best affiliate marketers on the internet. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. When creating an affiliate marketing program, the best thing you can do to attract and hold on to quality affiliates is to have good communication. If you respond to their issues, and provide good service to them, they feel like a valued part of your company. A valued affiliate will stick around and will give better reviews of your product. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your web page and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. Internet marketing is one of the best ways to reach a very diverse audience. Years ago, you were limited as to who you could reach with your product advertisements. With so many people from all over the world online, you can now market your products, literally, to the ends of the earth. As a merchant, you can positively benefit from affiliate marketing. You don't have any upfront marketing expense, which can reduce your costs when you start a new business. If your products are significantly better than the competitors' ones and your prices are competitive, you have a good chance to build a solid business with affiliate marketing. If you can afford it, send out free samples of your product. You can have people fill out a form to get samples, or enter a drawing game if you have limited samples. For each purchase, you can also send a free sample of another product. This should convince people faster than if they read your review. So, after watching and applying the helpful tips listed above, you should feel a bit more at ease in the land of affiliate marketing. You have the tools and now it's time to use them. You should feel empowered and ready to begin your affiliate marketing journey to better promote your business and make larger profits. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.